Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Chrome and signing into your Google account so extensions and settings can sync. Once done, make sure you have the Chrome Web Store tab ready or know the extension name. This saves time. You'll need only basic permissions for most installs, so don't pause to tinker with advanced settings yet. Also confirm you're on a stable network, because downloads can stall. Now, navigate to the Web Store search field and prepare to locate the extension you want. You search the Chrome Web Store with the exact extension name or targeted keywords to narrow results quickly. Once you find it, inspect the developer name, review count, and recent ratings so you understand trustworthiness. This avoids harmful plugins. Next, click Add to Chrome. A permissions pop-up appears. Read what the extension will access and confirm only if it matches your needs. After you approve, Chrome downloads and installs the extension automatically and shows its icon near the address bar. You finish by pinning or opening the new extension from the toolbar so you can verify it runs correctly. Some require an initial sign-in or setup step, so complete that now. If behavior differs, go to Chrome, //extensions or the extensions menu to adjust options and permissions. Make sure to enable or disable related extensions to avoid conflicts. If something goes wrong, disable the extension, reload Chrome, and reinstall. And if issues persist, check permissions and extension updates before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.